This video is going to be how to draw a tractor. So most videos that I have been doing, I have been using the paper and I've been holding it vertical instead of horizontal, but this design I'm going to hold it horizontal because the tractor is a little bit long. So again, you either hold it vertical or horizontal, but I'm going to hold my paper horizontal on this design. So get your sketchbook or your quarter sheet of paper. I do not draw on a full sheet of paper, so just get a full sheet of paper and cut them into 4 squares, and that is how I use these videos, just using a quarter sheet of a full sheet of paper. So this is the first step we are going to do on how to draw a tractor. We're going to draw a small circle on this corner of your quarter sheet of paper, and then on this side we're going to draw a bigger circle on this side. Now circles are hard to do, so make sure you draw light, and that way if you make a mistake the lines go away when you erase. So barely touch your paper when we're learning how to draw, and that means draw light, so when you erase the lines go away. Okay, inside this first circle I'm going to do a second circle that is smaller, and then a third one that is real small. Same with this side. I'm going to do another circle inside, and then one right in the middle, small. Okay, the next step, you are going to make little rectangles, just like that, around the entire wheel. So go up, out, down, up, out, down, up, out, down, and make some little rectangles or squares. Same with this one, little small rectangles or squares. Go up, out, down, all the way around. If I'm going too fast, you can pause the video, but I'm just making little squares or rectangles all the way around the wheel, both wheels. Alright, the next step, I'm going to draw a line from this wheel to this wheel straight across. Straight across, just like that. Okay, next step, the tractor is going to be standing on some dirt, so I'm going to draw a line. This is the bottom of the tractor, so I'm going to make a line way down here and make a little crooked because it's going to be sitting on some dirt. A little bit crooked, so it's not straight. I'm just going to make it wiggly just a little bit, and that represents the ground. Okay, put a few rocks somewhere, doesn't matter where, at the bottom. Okay, if I'm going too fast, pause the video. A couple of rocks on the bottom. Okay, next step, do a rectangle right in the middle, and then a small one right here. Okay, next step, draw a line, diagonal, small diagonal line going out like that, and then we are going to go around the shape of the wheel and stop. Okay, then on this side of the wheel we're going to go up, out, up, in, up. Okay, next step. From this part, we're going to put our pencil back up here. We're going to go up, to the right, up, to the right, down, and then we're going to connect this point to this point. Diagonal line, straight across, just like that. Okay, once again, if I'm going too fast, pause the video. Next step, right here in the middle of this diagonal line, make a line going up, and then a small oval at the top of the 2 lines. Alright, next step we are going to do is get your pencil right here where this curve is. You put your pencil inside just a little bit, and we're going to make another curved line going just like this, parallel, and close it. And a small letter V. Alright, next step. Right here on this curve, put your pencil right here on the curve, go straight up, parallel line straight up. Alright, next step, we're going to go across just like that. So these two parallel lines need to connect. And then we're going to do a diagonal line to the bottom of this tail light. Diagonal down, and then a parallel line, diagonal down. Okay, next step. 3 slanted rectangles. 1, 2, 3. Right here, a letter V. Opposite direction letter V, and then an oval for the steering wheel. And there is your tractor. Get you some crayons or colored pencils. This one might have been a little bit difficult, but that is your tractor simplified using lines and shapes. Color them whichever color that you want with your crayons or colored pencils. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me on this tractor using circles and lines and shapes.